Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to crochet a beautiful lavender step by step. It's simple, relaxing and perfect for beginners. So let's get started and create something lovely together. To crochet the lavender, I am using medium weight yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. I will also use a stick at the end and a pair of scissors. We take the yarn in our hand and first make a slip knot. We tighten the loop slightly and start making chains. We make the chains at the normal tension. We continue like this until we have a total of 45 chains. My chains are now ready. Now let's move on to crocheting the lavender petals. For this, I hold the last chain I made and chain 6 more. Then I slip stitch into the chain I am holding. Again, I chain 5. I insert my hook into the next chain and make a slip stitch. I chain 5. I slip stitch into the next chain. I chain 5. I slip stitch into the next chain. We continue like this until the end of the row. Each time I chain 5 and attach it to the next chain with a slip stitch. As we crochet, the lavender petals will start to form like this. We continued the same way until all the chains were completed. My lavender petals are now ready. Let me show you how it looks. Now I cut the yarn. I tie the 2 remaining yarn ends together securely at the back. Now let's move on to wrapping the green yarn around the stick. I apply glue to the top part of the stick and wrap the yarn around it like this. I continue wrapping this part all the way down the stick. I reach the end and applied glue to the stick again. I secure the final part firmly. I cut the yarn. My lavender stem is now ready. Now let's move on to wrapping the flower onto the stick. I apply glue to the stick again and take the flower in my hand. Starting from the top, I wrap it around the stick like this. I will apply glue again to this part. By applying small amounts of glue each time, we slowly and neatly wrap the crocheted flower around the stick. Make sure the petals are positioned properly. I applied glue to the final part again and tightened it to secure. My flower is now ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this lavender with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.